Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online in 30 seconds. It pays with PayPal and available worldwide. A perfect money-making strategy for beginners. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. To begin, I would like you to go to the website legit.com. That's Legit is the correct spelling. You've almost surely never heard of this website, and you've almost certainly never seen it. This is a brand new technique to making money every 30 seconds that you can start implementing right now. This website essentially serves as a marketplace where users may come and look for various services. Internet marketing, video, audio, and music, and so on are examples of graphic and design. And there are so many different categories and subcategories, as you can see at the top. And then you can see $35, $10, $6, and right here another $35, $30 as I scroll down further. Right today, there are a plethora of services available and people are charging money for a number of reasons. As I previously indicated, you are not required to undertake any of the work. You don't have to make any videos or websites. You are under no obligation to sell anything. This is a fully free process. First and foremost, I want you to pay close attention to the next step, which is to click on the video link right here. As a result, you can see that people are currently demanding a large sum of money ranging from $50 to $90. Just to make a video, people are charging a lot of money. For example, this one costs this amount. Another one at this price, and all of these people right here with their services and pricing. All of these people make videos for a living and charge a high price for them. All I want to do now is restate and clarify. You won't have to make any of the films yourself, and you won't have to do any of the hard work because at the end of the video, I'll show you 2 websites that will take care of everything for you. If you stick with me until the end, you'll learn everything and start making money every 30 seconds after watching this video. So all I want you to do now is show you how much money you might be making right now on legit.com. Let's say you charge $97 for a single package, just one video project, and you sell 15 of them per month. Which means you make $1,455, more than $1,000 per month from video packages alone. What's more, you'll be surprised to learn that you can earn roughly $3,000 if you double that. Or if you sell 30 of them per month, and all you have to do is sell one video per day for 97 cents and then sell 30 of them per month. You can earn $3,000 by doing nothing at all. As a result, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. No one is talking about it on legit.com. There is no competition and it is brand new. Let's say I click on this title right here to make a professional video, and it sends me to this website where you can see that this person is charging this crazy amount of money. You can make a lot of money right now, and I'll show you how to do it for free with a 100-page website constructed for you already. Powtoon.com is the first automated website I'd like to recommend to you, spelled Powtoon. Especially, this is one of the best websites where you can make a ton of professional videos for free using a done-for-you design similar to this one. What's more, you'll be surprised to learn that many Fortune 500 companies have partnered with Powtoon.com and use its services, including Microsoft, Google, Cisco, IBM, and Dell. Go to Create and select Videos to see the templates, where you can locate all of the ready-made templates and create an entire fantastic videos in minutes with just one click. You can see some of their examples right here, and you can scroll down to see all of their professional templates. When I hold my cursor over this video and beneath this area on Legit.com, you can see that your whiteboard videos are in high demand. There are a lot of individuals who want you to help them make whiteboard videos, and you can charge hundreds of dollars for it. Let me show you Whiteboard Explainer, a template that you may use on this website. It will take you to this page if you click on this template right here. And if I click on the play button, it will show you a demo of the entire template, as you can see here. It's essentially a whiteboard explanation video, and you've definitely seen a few of these types of videos on YouTube, where they're very popular. If you were to make this video entirely on your own, it would take days if not weeks, because you and I both know how little experience we have with such things. We don't have to do that. Simply click this button to change the design and create an entire explainer video on a whiteboard that you can sell for hundreds of dollars. In a few moments, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So for the time being, I'd like to show you some of the other areas on Legit.com where you can make a lot of money by working from home. You can just go back to Powtoon.com and search for all of these identical templates. For example, explainer videos, animation videos, and spokesperson videos. If you click on this template from there, for example, you'll be sent to a page where you can see a preview of the entire professional template and see how professional it is. And you can use it straight away without any technical skills. Assume you want to use this template to create the entire video. All you have to do is click the Change this template option and then create a free account on Powtoon.com. Simply type in your email address and click Continue. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. The second option is to go to the top of the website and select the pricing symbol, then scroll down to discover the free bundle. To utilize Powtoon.com, you don't need to pay or invest any money. All you have to do is click on this free package, Start Now, and click on this button. The next step is to look for the verification link in your email, which you must click to activate your account. After that, you can start modifying the template we chose before. So I can see the entire set of slides that they have produced for you right here, and you could easily sell this video for $97 or more. This is actually a good thing because Legit.com is very new. There's absolutely no competition in the market right now. No one knows about this website yet, but it's growing, and that's where you can keep up with the new trends, especially if you're viewing this video. You can then just click on the text and type whatever you want. For example, you can change the color of the text or just drag and drop it anywhere you like. You can change the background, change the sequence of the presentation, and make any other changes you want. The nicest aspect is that you don't have to worry about anything. They're all quite polite. When you're done, save or export it to your phone or computer, and you'll be able to access Powtoon.com from any device in any country on the planet. I'll also give you some extra incentives, like I always do at the end of my videos. As always, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. As a bonus, you can use Flixpress.com as your next automated website. Basically, you can make high-quality, entirely free videos online in minutes with this service. You'll be directed to a page where you can select a template that has already been finished for you if you click on the automated template at the top. Because the full HD video can be downloaded immediately to your phone, you can change and edit it as you desire. After you've looked at all of the templates, which are all quite professional, you can watch a video preview right here. When you move your mouse over the video, you'll notice that it's professional and high quality. So click here where it says Free Plan Templates, and you'll be able to find all of the movies and sell them on Legit.com. Under the linked video, you may see explainer films, spokesperson videos, as well as intro and animation logos. This is how you can earn money in a variety of areas by just selecting different templates. This is just one example of how people might integrate their logo in an entrance video. You could simply charge $50 for the entire logo entrance movie, and your customer won't even realize they're paying for an automation service. When you use this automated service and simply use the done-for-you template, they believe you are spending hours developing and employing all of your graphic design skills to generate all of these great videos. And because that is the essence of passive income and leveraging software and technology, we should thoroughly examine all of the templates available here and elsewhere. Personally, I appreciate seeing a lot of commercials because there are so many people looking for people like you to create videos and advertisements for them on Legit.com and other marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. Right now, take a look at these commercials. They're quite professional. I'll just give you a sneak peek in this video right now. For example, when I click on this one right here, it's just so funny and engaging, and your Legit.com clients are going to love it. So if I click on this one right here, I won't be able to turn up the volume on the video, but you can go to the website and try to see those humorous flicks. That is, in a nutshell, the entire template you can use. If you wish to use this template, click the login button right here, which will take you to this page where you should scroll down and look for registration, and then sign up for a free account. You'll now be directed to this page where you may join up using Google account or simply enter your username, last name, email address, and password, as well as read and accept the terms. It's actually fairly simple to do. Then click I'm not a robot button, followed by the registration button. Don't be afraid about the price because this is absolutely for free, and as you can see, they even provide a free starter package. You can see a free package for $0 right here to get started. And that's basically the entire strategy of using Poten.com and also Flixpress.com to create done-for-you videos that are super high quality and then selling them on this marketplace called Legit.com under the video section. And that's how you can make so much money every day without doing any of the hard work. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online in 30 seconds. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.